Hi, it is Memorial Day weekend. We are wrapping up. It is Monday. This video is mostly in Pisgah National Forest and the Blue Ridge Parkway. Anyway, I'm wrapping my, this is the last day. I did this video on Friday. Yesterday was Sunday. We went bicycling in Brevard up the Augusta bike trail. That was very hard on my knee. I overdid it. My knee is hurting really badly today. Saturday, I rode as well, and I went dancing, but the dancing's not what messed my knee up. Actually, what messed my knee up was my knee kept moving and trying to pop, kind of, and that's what really messed my knee up, made it really sore. It's really hurting. Probably going to be off my knee for a while, probably a week or so. Anyway, I would rather not, but nothing I can do. Anyway, again, this video was done first at the Blue Ridge Parkway and then in Pisgah National Forest. Some of the last 3 or 4 videos are not that great because I did the video with my boyfriend's phone, and he has a good phone. His is like an S10 Plus, but I had to send the videos, text the videos to my phone, and I think they got compressed and they lost a lot of quality, so they're not great. Anyway, they're not as good as I'd hoped. But I'm including them anyway because they're part of the Pisgah National Forest. We started out in Blue Ridge Parkway, on the Blue Ridge Parkway, and then went to Pisgah National Forest. Anyway, like I said, it's Memorial Day weekend. Today's Monday. Anyway, so here's the video. Here is a video slideshow of some flowers that I took on the Blue Ridge Parkway. Okay guys, I am back at the Blue Ridge Parkway. Short little trip today. We got on the Blue Ridge Parkway at the Pisgah National Forest entrance. Anyway, so I'm out here. I'm going to do a little bit of video and do some pictures. And sorry, holding it in this same direction. But anyway, take a few pictures while I'm out here. Okay, I'm out here. Like I said, I'm out here at my first overlook. There's some pretty flowers here. Okay, I'm at another pullout. This one is called Funnel Top. It's beautiful today, but it is a little cool. Actually, it's been raining and cold kind of all week long, even though it is the end of May. This is Memorial Day weekend. Okay, I'm at the Bad Fork Valley overlook. And there's a hiking trail down through here, but it's a little bit steep, at least for me, and my knee is still pretty bad. Okay, I'm at the Wash Creek Valley overlook. And I'm getting low on my battery, so I don't have a lot left. There's a few more overlooks we're going to stop at. Okay, I am at yet another overlook. There was one overlook that was across the street. We missed that one. Today's a nice day. Today's a beautiful day. Okay, this is Big Ridge Overlook. This is the Mills River Valley overlook. And this is right across the street from the same Mills River Valley overlook. And I will, whoops, didn't mean to do that. Get that car in there. I don't want to do that. And here I'll pan you here. And then, oops. My knees are still a little weak. And then across the street. Okay, I'm at the Mount Pisgah overlook. Okay, I'm at the Funnel Top overlook. We just passed the restaurant. I remember being here last year. Of course, I traveled the whole Blue Ridge Parkway last year, but I remember stopping at a little restaurant there and going inside to use the restroom. I had to stop this time, but there's a little country store with a restroom there, and then there's a hiking area that says restrooms. But anyway, I remember stopping there, and it's interesting that I remember that. Beautiful, beautiful area. Okay, I'm from another vantage point. Okay, here's another little vantage point. Okay, here's another vantage point. The Pisgah National Forest, I'm not sure what road we're on. Found this little waterfall, or just a creek. It's a creek, actually. And decided to do a little video. And I gotta get my footing just right. I don't want to fall in that cold water. That wouldn't be good. Zoom in. Let's zoom you guys in. Yeah, real pretty. Zoom back out again. Now, okay guys, I am using, my phone is completely dead almost, so I'm using my boyfriend's phone, and I'm doing a small little short video, and I'll see how it looks later. That'll be interesting to be able to see what his looks like compared to mine. His is almost exactly like mine as far as pictures go. The setup and everything is exactly exact. I hope that I can get it sent to my phone without an issue, though. Okay, I'm taking another little video with my boyfriend's camera. I think I already did a video right here, but I'm not sure. So I'm going to pan around. Anyway. Okay, I'm going to wrap this video up. Again, it's Memorial Day weekend. It is on the fourth day. It's just, not fourth day, I mean, it started on Friday because my boyfriend took the day off. So he had like a 4-day weekend. Anyway, I'm starting to get tired. Went to Walmart today. Had to pick up some stuff. I've been ordering my stuff through walmart.com. Anyway, not driving right now. That's another story. I'll talk about that later, but I'm not driving right now. Health and other issues. But anyway, so it's like nearly 2 o'clock and I'm headed back in the house. We decided to just take it easy today, go to Walmart and have a barbecue today. So that's pretty much it. I might come back and do a video of that maybe. Anyway, but again, it's Memorial Day weekend. I am wrapping this video up. I hope everyone had a good Memorial Day weekend. I hope everyone has a good week. God bless. Peace.